Hi, this is Sean and Frank with Coldwell Banker Previews International, and we're standing in front of 18677 Mesa Drive in lovely Villa Park.
We're so excited to showcase this property. It is one of the hottest and newest listings in all of Villa Park, with some of the best views in the entire city. Down from Fashion Island in Newport Beach all the way over to Palos Verdes, you've got some of the nicest views. Behind us is over 6,200 square feet of living space on a half-acre parcel and with all the upgrades that you can think of. We hope you enjoy the tour, and if you want to see the property in person, we'd love to accommodate you. Call us directly or send us an email to the information below on the screen. Until then, enjoy the tour.